Chapter 1. What exactly are the chakras? The chakras are formed when three energy channels join each other. The central energy channel is called Sushumna, the right channel is called Pingala, and the left is called Ida. Ida and Pingala run parallel to the spinal cord in your physical body. Chakras absorb and collect life force energy, also known as chi or prana, and then transform it and pass it on. Without this life force, our material bodies would not exist. While there are many minor chakras in the body, the major ones are only 7 in number. Each of these 7 major chakras is located at the meeting points of the 3 channels described previously as they ascend upward through your subtle body. Each of the chakras is associated with certain parts and organs of the body and provides energy to them. Similarly, each of these chakras is also associated with a specific human behaviors and feelings. The lower chakras are associated with basic emotions and needs, and the energy at this level is dense and vibrates at a lower frequency. As you go up, the energy becomes finer, vibrating at a higher frequency and corresponding to higher mental and spiritual faculties. If the flow of energy through the chakras is open and uninterrupted, we are healthy and balanced. By grounding ourselves and being aware of how we acquire and spend our energy, we can balance our mental, physical, and spiritual bodies. The energies of each of the upper chakras refine the energies of one of the lower chakras. The more the energies of our lower chakras are harmonized with the energies of the higher ones, the more we live in harmony, peace, and as one with the universe.